Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this dollar fix. Oh yeah, it's the AF18 model. It's an OBD2 scanner. It's a code reader, diagnostic scan tool for nearly all OBD2 protocol cars since 1996. We have here a cheap quality scanner, and it's really easy to use because this device can read and delete the DTCs easily. We get accurate and fast readings with this OBD2 scanner, which can diagnose issues with the recurrent engine, O2 sensor, EVAP system, and more. We can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes in seconds. The scan tool features a clear LCD screen with backlighting. This making it easy to read and use in dark lightning conditions. And the OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool works on 98% plus vehicles manufactured after 1996, and it supports 8 languages for our convenience. This code reader is easy to use even for beginners. We simply plug it into our car's OBD2 interface and start scanning for travel codes. Of course, we have to switch ignition on, and then it scan starts easily. You can see it's really easy. Dollar fix means Ben's experience of being overcharged by a repair shop after his car broke down while traveling in California made him determined to help all car owners. This make your car repairs and maintenance easy. Therefore, Ben established a professional team to design and manufacture a car diagnostic equipment to help simplify vehicle maintenance and management. And DollarFix helps the car owners deal with the car problems more easily, saving the valuable time and, of course, money. But what is the onboard diagnostics? This is a term referring to a vehicle self-diagnostic and reporting compatibility. In the United States, this self-diagnostic is a requirement to vehicle tailpipe emission to more than 150%. Oh yeah, of the standard to which is an original certified. It comply with the federal emission standards to detect failures that may increase this level. A primary benefit of this is the OBD2 system gives the vehicle owner or the repair technician access to the status of the various vehicle subsystems. The amount of diagnostic information available via the OBD has varied widely since its introduced in the early 1980s versions of the onboard vehicle computers. The early version of the OBD would simply eliminate a malfunction indicator light. This is the MIL, or the idiot light. If a problem was detected but would not provide any information as to the nature of the problem, the modern OBD implementation uses standardized digital communications port to provide real-time data, in addition to a standardized series of diagnostic trouble codes. These are the DTCs, which allows a person to rapidly identify and remedy malfunctions with the vehicle. And this device here, the DollarFix EF18, helps us with this. If you're a beginner and you does not have a scanner in your car, maybe this is the right scanner for you because it's really cheap and it makes a good job. The good job is to scan and delete failure codes. We have full OBD2 functions. We have live data monitor, as you can see, and it fits for over 98% of vehicles out there. Of course, we can make a battery voltage display. We read the vehicle informations and read codes, clear codes, freeze frame, data stream, IM diagnose, O2 sensor, EVAP system, vehicle informations, onboard monitoring, DTC lookup, check engine, and battery voltage. All this is possible with the DollarFix. We have live data stream, a real-time waveform display, and battery voltage display. I am readiness, and last I am datas. We check the operation of the vehicle emission system quickly, and it's plug and play. Easy to use, baby. We plug it into the OBD2 port of our vehicle. We turn on the car, and we start diagnostics. 8 languages, and it works on 98%, not persons, cars of our persons since 1996. Because we have KWP 2000, ISO 91041, JU 1850 VPV, and J 1850 PVWM, and the CAN bus and more protocols are compatible with the cars and the scanner. You can see this is the real thing if you begin to maintain and look what troubleshooting with your car will be before you get it into the garage or something else. Use the $fix OBD2 scanner to read and delete failure codes of your car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.